In this video, I'm going to give you my honest Amazon Prime Video review in 2026 to determine whether it is worth it nowadays. Now, I'm just going to be straight up honest, out of all of the major streaming platforms out there, this one is certainly one of the weaker ones. It's not as good as Disney Plus or Netflix or anything like that, and especially during a time period where people are facing many financial struggles, having a lot of subscriptions just really isn't sustainable anymore for many Americans. And because of that, I always suggest limiting the amount of subscriptions that you do have, and unfortunately, as much as I wanted to like Prime Video, it just doesn't cut it for me. You know what I'm trying to say? So one of the major things that I don't like about Prime Video is that they advertise a lot of shows over here, but you can't actually watch them. So let's say you wanted to watch South Park, for example. It is then going to redirect you to pay for another subscription. So it doesn't even come with it. That is honestly pretty outrageous if you do ask me. However, I do like some series on here, especially Beast Games. I think Beast Games is such a good series, guys. So if you are going to get Prime Video, only get it for a few months to watch something like Beast Games or something like that. But apart from that, I really don't see a point in having Beast Games. And I know you see something like SpongeBob over here, but they only have one season. They only have one season of SpongeBob. So that definitely isn't that great. But to be fair, there are also some other pretty strong titles out there, including the Minecraft movie, Super Mario Bros., Shark Boy and Lava Girl, etc. So here's all the top movies, by the way, just so that you're able to get a sense of them. So if you're like a huge mega fan of any of these series or anything like that, then obviously I do think it is worth getting Prime Video. But if you're someone who's busy all the time, you don't have that much time to actually watch content, then I don't really suggest getting Prime Video. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.